Hello beautiful souls, we are here today again. Greetings to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Let's quickly learn another wonderful, beautiful, elegant style today. Alright, so what is in my hand is 1 yard of Ankara material. That is what we are going to use today. Alright, so we are going to use it to tie simple round head wrap. Alright, so let's get started. This way, just place very small, not too big, very small, all right. Plait it this way. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Plait it this way, all right. Just plait everything, then use your rubber band to fasten it together there. Just fasten it. Make sure it's very firm, all right. So you're having this little flower, see, very small. Don't allow it to be too big because we are going to use it to form what is it called, flower in the front. All right, so placing it on your head this way, place it on your head this way. Now taking everything to the back, taking it to the back, adjust it. Then use another rubber band to hold it there. Hold this place. I'm going to do it 2 times to be sure. It's very firm. Alright, so here we are. We're good to go. So bringing everything to the front this way now. So we're going to pleat now. Okay, wash my hand, wash. So place it this way, and then continue the plate. Continue plating. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, my video, the person you're hearing my voice is Demi Igele Empire. So please do well to drop your like, your comment, and don't forget to on your subscription button. Connect with me so whenever I drop a video, in fact, you'll be the first to get it. Alright, so let's continue. So raising it out this way, continue the pleats, continue the pleats this way, right? Just focus your eyes on what I am doing. All right, so see the trick here. I'm holding it down here, while I drag this. You see that trick? You're still holding the bases while you drag this, because you're still going to use this one to form a little bit height for the ground. All right, while we continue the pleats. Continue pleating. Continue pleats. All right, you drag it a little bit. Okay. Now taking everything to the back this way, and this one now, watch it, just rotate it a little bit and then tuck it in here, tuck it in here. So now we are coming to arrange the plates, arrange the plates So continue to arrange the plates until they are set. All right, I think we are good to go this way. All right, then this one here now, just spread it out to form a little roll. Just say, look at the tip. This is the tip, this is the tip. Just cross them this way. Rotate it a little bit. Set it a little bit. Let this one come in. All right. So you use your office pin. Pick your office pin and just hold it. Cool and calm. All right. So adjust it the way you want. So just arrange this place. Spread it out a little bit. You're good to go. If you don't mind, you can just decorate it further. Just pick up your simple accessories and just fasten it there. Isn't it beautiful? That is what the back look like. For the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Empire. So please, I am begging you do want to like my video, drop your comments on the comment section. I would like to see that. Then practice the same makes perfect. The more you watch, the more you practice, and before you know it, you're already doing it. So make sure you practice, and please don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to connect to this channel. You have a lot of